Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a feeding video with my little Peanut today, and someone had asked me about her name. Her name used to be Michaela Yvonne, her actual name. I always call her Peanut, but I changed it to Michaela Quinn, so that's her name now. So we're gonna have a little bottle here. Hope you can see her little tiny hair bow there. She's so cute. She has the tiniest little hair bows. Peanut is hands down one of my favorite babies. One of the few humans that made the cut, because I normally am not a fan of the human babies, but there are a few like her and Prim and that I just love. It was so funny. My sister-in-law had sent me a photo of her newest baby, and she looked just like Peanut in one of these photos. It was like the head shape, the way she was laying, just everything. I was like, oh my gosh, it's Peanut! It was so adorable. So, anyways guys, I just wanted to share this with you, and I will see you soon. Bye!